Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm in front of the canola plot on our Natwich field. I would be talking about one of the miracle product that's available up on the market. It's humic acid. Humic acid, it's not new. It's been around for a few years, and with the miracle products you would see there's always a trend. There's a boom cycle for them, and then they would just go away and then they would come back after a few years. And it's similar with the humic acid. It had its boom and bust cycle over the past few years. So this project idea, it was brought forward by the nutrient rep here in Outlook, Derek Durdle. So we met this last fall, and we discussed about the humic acid, and he wanted us to explore more in depth for the humic acid and see all the claims that are put forward by the companies, are they true or not. So for this project, this is funded by SAS Canola and SAS Flax. So we have two crops. We are doing both on flax and canola. We applied initially, so this is just a one year demonstration, and hopefully we would have enough information from this project. And if not, we might run back to these two commissions and see if they can refund us to generate more information for you guys. So with humic acid, there are different forms which are available up on the market. It comes in various, it comes in liquid form, powder form, granular form, and there are different types of humic acid. It's the humic acid, then the fulvic acid, and the humate. So they all have different if you search for humic acid, all these types, they have different. The claims are that they all have different benefits for the crops, but few of the major things that are up on the internet about humic acid is like the first thing that's usually written up on the list is that it helps in improving the soil quality. It helps in water retention, and the third one, which I was interested in, or which this project is focused on, is that humic acid, it improves the nutrient uptake in the plant. That's what this project is focused on. We are working with flax and canola, and then we are just looking at the phosphorus fertilizers. The idea was applying, or the MAP coated with humic acid would improve the phosphorus uptake in both canola and flax. And that's what we are trying to do in this project. Our treatment here, we have 5 treatments, same treatments for canola and flax. The treatments are control, 25 kg P2O5 per hectare, that's normal MAP, and then there's a MAP which is coated with humic acid with the same rate, 25 kg of P2O5 per hectare. The normal seed place rate for phosphorus for canola is 25. So we double that just to see if there is if there's better nutrient uptake, or if we can increase the safe seed rate placement for phosphorus in canola. So we went double that rate. So we had a treatment with 50 kg P2O5 per hectare with normal MAP, and then humic acid coated MAP. So for flax, the seed place rate is around 15 to 20. So we have the same treatment. So the highest 50 kg P2O5 would be like triple the seed safe rate placement for phosphorus in flax. So far, we have done the plant establishment or the emergence count on both flax and canola, and what I have seen so far is there wasn't big difference, or all the results from my side, there wasn't any significant difference between the treatment. So whether whether we can increase the seed safe placement phosphorus rate in canola or flax, from my trial, I'm not seeing any advantage of using humic acid coated fertilizer or MAP in this case. The other thing we would be looking at, as I said, it improves the fertilizer uptake in the plant. So we did the biomass on both flax and canola, and we would be looking at the total phosphorus uptake in both crops. So we do have the samples. The sample are already sent to Eggwise, and hopefully we would have the results back in the fall. So we'll let you know what we see in the tissue analysis. And lastly, we would be looking at the yields. So those were the 3 parameters we are on which this project is focused. We have 6 sites involved in this, and again, for the fertilizer study, water is it's the key requirement. There should be ample water in the soil if you want to see the fertilizer effect. But with the drought in 2023, I'm not sure how the other 5 sites are doing. They again, all the 6 sites, we have both the crops. And again in the fall, once I have the results from all the sites, I will compile a combined report from all the sites. It will be up on our website, and then a final report will be also submitted to SAS Canola and SAS Flax Commission, and we'll try to disperse the information out of this project in our following or in our future extension events. Thank you.